Hello, everyone. I just wanted to come on real quick and say that I am doing this little DIY, and I got the idea from Story of My Life. She calls herself Story, and she's on my not my playlist, but she's on my subscription list, which I have listed, so you can look her up. She's absolutely amazing, and I just wanted to give her props because she's the one that I'm copying on this project. I'm just doing it a little bit different and adding it to it actually. But I want to thank y'all. I'm not a professional in any kind of a way, and it's just kind of nice to have people see your passion in what you do and appreciate it. And so I thank y'all so much for watching, and let's get right into the project. Hello, y'all. I am making a 3 candle holder set from all Dollar Tree stuff, with the exception of the little flower mesh that I have here, and I got that from the Wish app. And I've got these little guys right here that I'm using, and it's the little champagne glasses that you can get from the Dollar Tree in the wedding section. You can also get these little napkin rings, which I used, and of course I just glued it, and then I glued 4, and then I did them up, and up, if that makes any sense. So I used a total of 3 packages and 1 extra napkin ring from a 4th package. I'm just using, oh, I can't talk. I'm just using the little champagne, 1 package of those, and they come in a pack of 4, and I'm just going to do 3 candle holders. So I just need 3 of the bottom pieces, and they come right apart, and then 3 of these top pieces, and that will go at the top. I'm going to use the flower mesh just to cover up all of the hot glue in between each of the napkin rings, and I'll be back to show you. The flowers don't come around to meet exactly, so I'm going to cut off an individual piece and put them each in the center. It's going to raise it up on that side, but I think it's actually going to turn out really cute. So I added each little diamond mesh in the center of each one, and at the top I put 1 single flower mesh there. Then I added the champagne goblet. So I got these stickers from a dollar store, and I decided to put them on the glass part, well, actually the plastic part.